Okay, this isn't my normal video, but I have this ginormous box here from Sweetwater. Let's step back a bit. Take a look. Now that, just to give you some perspective, it's my bunk bed, and it is almost the entire length of the bunk bed. It's pretty heavy too. So, you know what, I think I need to take this down from here, because that's pretty high and I don't want to damage anything. So, ooh, autofocus going crazy. Alright, I'm going to take it down and be right back. Okay, box is down. And let's give this something to focus on. There you go. The box is down, and now I can open it without, oops. As you can see, I've been very organized here. Okay, clean laundry out of the way. Trusty Swiss Army knife. That was for effect, I already cut that. And just go here, on the top, and down the side. Yay! Alright, nice end. As you can tell, I'm way too excited about this, and you will soon discover why. Alright, we have here Yamaha FC4. It's not important, let's move that out of the way. And packing material. Some Sweetwater goodness. This is the Spring 2013 Pro Gear, which I think I have already. That's how much I think of that. I have here a Pro Audio cables. Pretty good. This is a balanced TRS 1/4 inch cable. Oops. That was kind of a fail there. And as frequently asked, again, thank you for purchasing from Sweetwater. And here we go. The star of the show, Yamaha DGX 640C, which means it's the cherry version. So I cannot pull this out one-handed, so I'm going to pull it out of the box and yeah, let me do that. Okay, here it is in all its glory. You see? Portable grand. So you can see the Yamaha grand piano there. DGX 640. Woo! Yeah, my voice is gone. I can't. Actually, it's not gone. It's changed. I can't go the high-pitched sounds anymore. But yeah, I've been wanting this for a long time now. Mine is mine. So, but the reason I have this is, well, not only as a thing just to keep in practice with piano, and also as a ministry opportunity. Actually, that's more important than I do hope to make some money with it, which is the only reason I can get things like this anyway. It's like that microphone over there. I got that so I could get better sound quality. Actually, it was a pop filter I got in the sales pitch to my dad was, yeah, I'm gonna make money with this. And it took a while. See, with these things, you have to take a loss before you can actually make something. Let's put that knife away. Don't want to cut it. Wow. Yeah, you know what? Lady at the mailroom said that I had a ginormous box. She didn't say ginormous. She said huge box waiting for me. I knew it was big, but because this is a big keyboard, but I didn't think it was that big. Okay, so my own piano. First piano that I've owned. Well, technically, my first piano that I've owned is not here. It's this is my first personal piano, which I get to take with me everywhere. Don't have to give it back to someone. Just, I know that probably sounds lame, but for me that's huge, because I've always had to borrow someone else's piano. So, yeah, let's get it out of the box. Ooh. Awesome. It's a lot heavier than the DGX 505 was, I can tell you that. Music stand, which I'll probably use. I'm just kidding. Ooh, the legs. Probably have some nice instructions with it too. Sorry, if I sound like I'm in love, I apologize. There's a piece of technology. Okay, this might be harder to build than I thought. So I'm gonna read the instructions like I never do, but really should. CD-ROM, manual. I'll probably not use, but that's okay. And it does come with a cheap little sustain pedal. That was one thing the engineer said it did not come with, but I'm glad I got the extra one because this little thing tends to slide on the carpet. It's really slippery. It doesn't hold to the surface. Okay, so we got this. I believe that is it. Okay, I'm going to move this box off the side. Or up, rather. I figure the manual is a good place to start because I've never done this before. Well, I do want to see what this is. What is this? This is the power brick. It's so tiny. Look at that. The DGX 505s had a brick that was like a brick. It was like that. And I can only say that because I borrowed one from a friend. So, it's nice to it. Maybe I should have checked for screws. really put these together. Time to look back in the big box. Okay, so after searching in the box, found them. Well, let's make sure that according to the manual that I have all the parts. Again, I apologize for the mess. Just too excited to clean up. Now, oops, I should check the manual and make sure this is the way to put it on. Yes, it is the way, and you're supposed to have two people doing it. Okay. Well, we only got one person, so let's see if I can do it with just one person. Bench press, everyone. Actually, it's everything press. Arms and legs. That is sweet. It just hooks in there. Now, more screws. Alright. Nice and easy now. Not too tight is the watchword of the night. Alright. We are done. Yay! Of course, we're not really done because I still need to plug this thing in and do some other stuff. Okay, time for some comparison. Here we have standard sustain pedal, Yamaha. Useless, we're going to throw that away gently. And here we have FC4. Looks like a piano. Input switch. So they say this has good grip, excellent grip, I should say. And we're gonna try and use that to our advantage here. I gotta knock at the door.